Sensibility and practicality define the 2002 Dodge Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 70,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, a cassette player, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.